I don't know what holiday traditions you guys have, but Thanksgiving is quite a big deal for my family. And to use Thanksgiving style words, you can see the cornucopia of handmade pies, a tribute to this fact that we really love Thanksgiving. I mean, we even have 2 kinds of deviled eggs. That alone should say enough. There's sides upon sides upon sides. I mean, this is a 2-plate kind of meal. My aunt and uncle even made a big tray of shrimp scampi. My dad made a regular turkey and a smoked turkey that would have blown your mind. But the crown jewel of the Thanksgiving meal for me is a homemade recipe that my mom makes. And they're simply called noodles. Yeah, they kind of look like chicken and dumplings or some kind of thing like that, but I can remember eating these at my great-grandma's house, my Mimi's house, and they were the thing that I looked forward to most every year on Thanksgiving Day, going and eating a big pot of noodles till I felt like my stomach was gonna explode. What do you got? You got some noodles? Some macaroni? And Thanksgiving Day is great and everything, but there's one thing that me and my whole family looks forward to probably more than Thanksgiving Day, and that is Farm Day. Good morning, everybody. Guess what today is?
Farm Day.
What's Farm Day, Hurley?
Where we all we might roast some marshmallows or something. Just do a lot of fun stuff.
So Farm Day is a tradition that we've had. I mean, I can't remember not doing it, so it's been a long time. After Thanksgiving, the Friday after Thanksgiving, we go out to the farm and we just have a day of play. There's no work. It's all about fun. It's a little rainy and dreary today, which is always kind of a bummer, but that's not gonna stop us. Rain or shine, we're going to the farm and we're gonna have fun today. And we will see you when we get there.
Cowboy hat hanging on the tree. Cowboy hat, glad it wasn't me.
Here's the challenge. Can you get it to the fire?
Campfire at its best. Okay, without burning
Without
somebody.
burning your hands or letting
Yeah,
it
the
go out
wind's coming.
of the north or out of the south. It's over. Okay, round 2.
What's a better way to... Let me put it in my...
Yeah, let's put it in there.
Let me put it in here.
That's a good idea.
And then I'll run to the fire and throw it on. Uh-oh, this is getting crazy. Okay.
Oh, it's getting, it might happen. Here's the real challenge. Can you get it down to the to the oil? Oh my gosh, it's done. Don't stick it in there too deep. It's still going. It's going. Done. Challenge accepted.
But will it pick up some oil?
I don't know.
I thought it was going to go.
It's a really, really wet wood. Well, we've gotten here to the farm. Kids are inside. It is wet and dreary outside, but nevertheless, Farm Day will happen. We're trying to see if we can get the outside fire going to prevent having to do everything inside on the fireplace later. So we've poured a bunch of oil on this fire to see if it'll go, but that's really wet. That's some really wet wood. I mean, I'd go ahead and step up to gasoline, but you know, whatever. I got the answer. Take the tube off and see if we can fix the thing that's supposed to hold 150 PSI. Just a little duct tape.
Duct tape will work.
Got any pipe dope? So remember that time I said Farm Day was all about having fun? Well, we knew that was eventually going to come back and bite me in the butt. First thing to go down was the air compressor. How does that even happen? We just so happen to have a chunk of some hose that I think might work. We're gonna give it the old college try. Well, it's holding pressure. I just gotta figure something out to actually hold them on there because the hose is too big for the old compression clamps. So not going back and using compression fittings may be a little dangerous, but it'll do. Repairs made, so now we turn the compressor on and see if it blows up. Where is that other air coming from?
Oh, AC's got it.
Gosh, this hose. Another leak.
Oh gosh.
Hey, now that we got pressure, we're gonna find all kinds of leaks.
Problem is we only have
You can do it.
just barely enough.
But that looks too big.
Oh, we made it work.
Oh, it will work.
We made it work,
That's-
Steven. Look at
Yeah,
this. See how that works? Look at that.
And look,
called
I think we
Southern
got
Engineering.
clamps.
Southern Engineering. That
Look
is,
at
those are compression fittings.
I've been
and
in
that's-
every nook
That's
and
not
cranny.
what that is.
The problem is the compression fittings,
yeah, it doesn't fit on
they
your
don't fit the new
hose.
hose. So, Steven, we make do with what we have.
You got some duct tape.
That's what
Actually,
Like father, like son. It's the good old saying down here in the South. Duct tape fixes everything. Well, you know what? That actually may be universal to the entire country.
Is this recording?
Oh my gosh. All right, moment of truth. I see pressure!
You think that's got wool? I think
Seems
we need
pretty
to add
good.
some wool.
Probably need to add some oil on it based on the giant oil spot that's on the ground where it was. It's alive. All right, we got the air compressor fixed. The toilet's fixed.
No, the toilet's not fixed.
The toilet's not
The
fixed.
piece is coming though.
But once that's fixed, all the work is done. And there's no more things. It's just play from that point on.
Except for getting firewood.
Never mind. Work, 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 work. It would make sense on the day that I say we're not going to go out work, that a bunch of things would go wrong and we have to fix a bunch of stuff. But hey, that's life. Come on! Come on, Justin! Not gonna lie, I kind of wish you would have bit it.
no, I know. That would have been good.
Okay, now all the work is done. Now we can have fun for the day. That is until we get back and my dad tells us another chore we have to do. Everybody look! We got the golf cart out. What do you think of this thing, Hurley?
Cool. Well, where are we going?
Crazy. Hold on! Hold on, Bridger!
Go super fast! Super, super fast!
We dropped our pickup stick. Ah, they thought they were getting left. Get on, Bridger! Okay, we were just challenged to a race.
Oh, they're all racing now.
Carly, the kids think they can beat me on the blue golf cart. Okay, ready?
Go!
Say go. Yeah! What now? See you, sucker! Hey! Y'all are too slow. What's going on?
Whatever, you almost tripped me.
Woo!
Look at
Watch out, Bridger!
me. This is an answer to prayer, this weather. So awesome.
Hey, YouTube, this is my Aunt Debbie.
And we prayed for good weather.
Prayed for it.
Thank you, Lord. You're sweetie. Hi.
Aunt Katie,
Yeah.
did you watch what Hurley said about you on the video?
Yes. I didn't do any work. I just played with him and
Yeah.
Tank the whole time. Yep.
I said it was the hardest job out there. New driver. That's the brake. What are you doing? You think she's gonna die? And what gathering wouldn't be made better by a good meal of barbecue and leftover Thanksgiving food? Traditions are traditions, and that's the way they're gonna stay.
I cooked it. You bless it.
All right, Lord, thanks for everybody getting out here safely.
And bless this great day, a great family tradition and family time hanging together, and keep everybody safe. And I pray, amen.
Amen.
By the way, the noodles, they get better every time you reheat them.
All right, Hurley, tell me about what you got to eat here.
Barbecue, ham, biscuit, noodles, chocolate, and Cheetos.
Cheetos, what's your favorite part of all that?
Oh yeah.
The bologna?
What is that camera for?
Pop bologna? What's your camera for, huh? How's the go-kart ride?
Good.
Good? All right, you guys eat your lunch. I'm gonna go get some too.
I want to see it.
So one of the staples of Farm Day is something that we've called hay bale tag. And see if whoever's it over here can run around with the camera a little bit.
This guy wants to hold it. The funny man wants to hold it. You know that funny man that he keeps putting his face in the camera? That's who's gonna hold it. The funny man's gonna hold it. My name is Bridger Jackson. I'm never gonna give up. So I keep going. Watch. Yeah, you are it, okay?
Okay, I got up on the hay bales and I've been declared it, so let's see if we can tag some children. You can't get. He's going down. He's going. Yes. I'm gonna throw up. Oh, I'm gonna puke. Oh, I'm so out of shape. It's the altitude.
Oh yeah.
Up high on these hay bales.
High on the hay bale. We're hiding out, aren't we? We're hiding under the canopy. The rain almost stopped.
Is that good?
Ooh, you digging the drips?
Is that yummy? I'm not sure at what point it happened, but Hurley got a hold of my phone, and what they recorded is pretty entertaining.
What's this? It was fun. I love that song.
It's nice to get around the fire and kind of thaw out on a rainy, cold day like this. And a lot of people just take to inside to play some cards and other kind of games. So then after we somehow have worked up an appetite again, it's time to heat up the fire and get ready to cook some hot dogs. Well, it's been a fun day. I didn't film as much as I wanted to because I'd rather spend time with my family and just have a good time, but Hurley and the guys are about to run out here and cook some hot dogs on the fire we got going. It's been raining all day, but the fire survived. I don't know who built this fire.
Because of the one match rule, but it's still going. One match and 5 quarts of oil. That's all it takes.
Oh, I thought mine was... Are we gonna go fishing? Actually, I just don't call them hot dogs.
And the final thing of the night is a way too competitive game of guys versus girls charades. This is a long-standing tradition as well. And to be honest, the girls have never won. That is, until this year.
Sounds like
Pacing uncontrollably. And that.
in, on Golden Pond.
Down. Poke.
Higher. It's a Wonderful Life. That is freaking tough.
2 words. Second word. Cry. Sad. A baby. Wah wah.
Hey.
Blue.
You can't point at objects. You can't use objects.
Why? Big blue.
Big blue.
Victory blue.
Nice blood.
Oh, big blue.
Defeat does taste a little bitter, but on such a fun day, it's an easy pill to swallow. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to keep following along with what we're doing, subscribe to this channel. And let me know if you guys like this no music style video that I did this time. I'm not sure about it, but hey, if everybody likes it, maybe we'll try it every now and then. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one.